This is literally the craziest stuff I've ever seen right now. This is Target right now.
Kids, quick! Let me know. You have to go quick, bro.
Hey!